Then
No!
Saturday.
Oh my goodness, I fumbled. I almost fumbled.
Oh my god, oh my god,
Catching
wait a
up.
minute. Final lap.
I think Ryan's faster than I
Alright,
am.
I'm doing it.
This is
I'm
scary.
doing it. I'm going
Yeah,
wide.
he is. Ryan's faster.
Ryan pushes. Oh my god, wait a minute.
Oh, I hit him.
They
I hit him.
touch.
I'm seating. I'm seating. I'm seating. I'm seating. I'm seating.
Yeah, I got eliminated.
Yeah.
It's
Okay, I'll count
Where's
it's
this.
a bit awkward.
There. There.
Oh, I'm trying so hard not to push him, but I got DRS. I got DRS.
Fucking Red Bull Power, no!
No, the legacy,
Come on.
no.
Madison
Okay.
cursed, bro.
The legacy.
I just got
Oh,
eliminated. No.
wait, the legacy can happen.
No.
The,
Oh.
the legacy.
Oh, but he was slower. He was slower.
Oh, the exit.
What you gonna do, Dirk?
Ryan
What
is
you gonna do?
really good. Fourth in case. Oh, Ryan went wide. The legacy. Oh. One more corner. No.
Are you gonna go for a dive bomb, Dirk? Be honest. I feel like you
Yeah,
I have to.
he will go for a dive.
No, I don't. I can't. Oh, I got
No.
Let's go.
Oh!
No, the legacy. Fuck.
Sure.
Well, great
Oh.
job, Ryan. Great
Dive
job,
Aaron,
great job.
dive Aaron, Zach.
Good
Dive
move.
Aaron. Dive
Dude,
Aaron.
Dirk, that was incredible.
Dive Aaron.
Do we have footage? Do we have footage?
Oh, Aaron fumbles.
Oh!
No. Yes.
Oh,
What is happening?
You are not Lightning McQueen, bro. You are not
What
Lightning
happened?
McQueen.